Hello friends, my name is Atul and I am a student of CNC STAGECRAFTS. I am here for my acting course and I have joined 3 months ago. And we are doing a short film currently, and just a few days ago we have done a play named The Dreams of My Town. And we are working towards our next project. So I just want to say you all that very active session here, and we all always busy in some or other work. So and there is a YouTube channel named CNC STAGECRAFTS. So visit there and see our work, whatever we have done, that is on the channel, and you should once visit that, and please like, subscribe and share our channel. Keep supporting. Thanks.